Heavydrive mission at Alte Pinakothek in Munich. After the exhibition, Florence and its painters has been closed, the Heavydrive team disassembled the display cabinets of two 15th-century pieces of art. A glass hood measuring about 1.2 meters in height and 60 centimeters in depth secures the masterpiece Titus Livius de Bello Macedonico, dating from the year 1470. For disassembling the 92-kilo heavy glass cabinet, the assembly lift system ML 51 is equipped with a load arm. Two VSG 320 PL suction systems for lifting narrow glass elements are hooked onto the load arm. With these systems centered on two sides of the cabinet, the glass cover is lifted by suction. The system itself automatically controls the suction procedure. In case there is a delay during the assembly operation, the suction pads will remain fixed in place. After 15 minutes at the earliest, a vacuum loss might occur. Thanks to the integrated security system, the suction equipment continues pumping automatically in such an event. The assembly lift hoists the glass cabinet safely over the artwork within only a few minutes. During the exhibition, the masterpiece Maria with Child, created by Fra Filippo Lippi in the year 1465, was also protected by means of a glass hood, measuring about 1.4 meters in height and 1 meter in width and 60 centimeters in depth. The vacuum suction systems are centrically guided towards the glass panes from two sides. At the touch of a button, the VSG 320 PL securely fixes the glass cabinet by means of its suction pads. The Heavydrive assembly lift, controlled by the operator, now moves upwards in order to haul the more than 100-kilo heavy glass hood over the valuable Madonna. The mission is finished after a mere 5 minutes and the masterpiece is ready for shipment.